Hey everybody, this is Will from Carniland, New York. Doing my first unboxing video, doing my first video on camera talking, so hopefully it's not too much dead air. I got this from California Carnivores. Nice rainy day today. Hope everyone's doing well. I have 4 potted plants and a pinguicula. I can never say that word properly. A ping garden. That's going to be for another video. Let's see. A lot of paper. Let's see. That's the bottom. What do we got here? I should have a few Droseras, a couple of sundews in here. Like this. Extrema. A Drosera. That's not going to come properly. But very nicely packaged, potted Drosera multifata extrema. You seen these plants in pictures? They grow wild. Big branches. They kind of look like a binata, Drosera binata. And then they get even bigger, and that was probably in the middle. I'm going to take the packaging off. That was probably a flower stem. What else do we have here? Another potted. Oh. I want to take the packaging off. Yeah. Drosera alacea. These are probably some of the pins. Yep. This is from my garden. I want to continue to do the potted ones first, and then I'll do the pins at the end. It always seems like the pins are everybody's favorite. I just want to take this a second or two. Oh, Sarracenia. My Sarracenia flava. It's going to be a nice trumpet. I'm going to take the packaging off that in a minute or two. And this, so that's 3. It's my last Drosera right here. Nicely packaged. Very nicely packaged. Venusta. It's one of those kind of clumping rosette. I'm going to take that off. You can see the package. Taped the hi-ho. And then this is for my pin garden. Tray. The soil. Probably some sort of sand. Some sphagnum moss, probably for the bottom, to make sure that it doesn't drain out. But like I said, we're going to do that in another video. So I'm going to pause it, and then I'm going to show you everything unpackaged. Okay, movie magic. We are back. Drosera alacea, probably mispronouncing that. Another Drosera, another rosette. Venusta, probably mispronouncing that. Nice. Dormant Sarracenia flava. Drosera, Multiflora, Extrema. I can't wait. I've been excited about adding all these to my collection, especially this Extrema. Okay, now it's time to take a look at the pings. Okay, Pinguicula piggyback. Let's see. Nicely wrapped. Now with these ping gardens, you never know what you're gonna get. So bare root. Excited about that. Oh, my son's gonna love this. Sleepy Hedgehog. It's almost like they know. My son is a huge Sonic the Hedgehog fan. So let's see what this one looks like. Very nice. And this one's Pinguicula Cheshire Cat. Probably mispronouncing that. All bare root. Let's see what we got. Ooh, very nice. A little bit of color on that. Okay. Very nice. Some nice additions to the collection. Now, like I said, I'm going to do a potting video soon to get these pings in the garden. Now, stay tuned to our Instagram, our TikTok, as well as our YouTube. I'm going to try to post this video on our YouTube as soon as I can. And I'm going to take pictures of everything, put it on our Instagram, TikTok, whatever we can. Thank you for following us. We're over 1,000 followers on Instagram. We're almost at 1,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you guys all for your support. We got to work on the YouTube, but I feel like a video like this is definitely going to get the subscribers and get the views in. Again, this is Will from Carniland, New York. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one.